What is the largest three-digit number? The answer is 999. 6500 plus 500 plus 250 plus 90 plus 5 is equal to which number? A 7356, B 7683, C 7914 or D 7345. I'll give you a hint, kids. Add all the digits at one's places. That is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. What do you get? That's right, you get an answer with 5 at one's place. So the right answer is 7345. Which is the smallest state of India? And the answer is Goa. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for lion. Which is the highest dam in India? The answer is Tehri Dam. What is the nearest 10 of number 8573? You need to find out a number which is closest 10 to 73. That's right. The correct answer is 8570. 70 is closer to 73. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? The answer is Chinese. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? The answer is Yamuna. Which city is known as City of Palaces? The answer is Kolkata. Cataract is a disease of which body part? The answer is eyes. Gateway of India is located in which city? The answer is Mumbai. Sun is A star, B planet, C comet or D asteroid. What is Sun? Answer is star. Sun is a star. Which is the longest river in the world? The answer is Nile. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Answer is Dehradun. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Which of the following is an output device of a computer? A printer, B keyboard, C scanner or D mouse. Which is the output device? The answer is printer. LBW is related to which sport? Answer is cricket. Saina Nehwal is associated with which sport? The answer is badminton. Olympic Games are held after every A 3 years, B 4 years, C 5 years or D 6 years. The answer is 4 years. If you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon near the subscribe button.